Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 to ensure it fixes all the issues with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. There's only been one real Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 leak so far, and this point to the phone having a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That would be the successor to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipsets that power many of 2022's Android flagship, including the Z Fold 4. Samsung is the pioneer of foldable phones, and its inner folding design language laid the path on which all other Chinese foldables have followed. But a good case can be made that in the last couple of years foldables from brands like Huawei, Oppo, and Vivo have surpassed the Galaxy Z Fold series in pure hardware promise. The Galaxy Z Fold 5 is rumored to arrive with an extravagant 7.6-inch, 19.30cm display, along with a resolution of 1768x 2208 pixels. The larger-than-life display will make virtual content come to life. The upcoming phone might also have the Android V11 operating system, and it is also rumored to house a 4500 mAh battery that will allow one to use the phone for a longer period without battery drainage. They also fixed the battery life despite not upgrading the capacity, thanks to a more efficient chipset. And even this time Samsung also updated the charging speed at 45 watt, which will charge your Z Fold 5 within 45 minutes. The CEO of Samsung Mobile is so confident in foldable phones that he believes that foldables will become the smartphone standard by 2025. He also said foldables items will take up more than 50% of Samsung total premium smartphone shipment. Report out of South Korea claims that Samsung isn't feeling too confident about the sales prospects of its 2023 foldable lineup. The Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 Korean sites, the ELEC, has first details of the handsets, and while not exactly surprising, the details do show continued year-on-year improvements. The report also mentions specs details for the cameras. The Fold 5 will reportedly pack Samsung ISO's GN3 50-megapixel wide camera. The GN3 sensor features 1.0 micrometers sensor, meanwhile the selfie camera will feature a 12-megapixel sensor. And these should be both upgrades over the Fold 4 cameras, but this year's model will also have a 50-megapixel primary camera. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.